the day one we are getting the knowledge from the world leader in this technology guideline. We are getting from the person who is the Indian's brand ambassador for the CSV and the validation product, Mr. Kalpesh Waghela. We are really lucky to getting a guideline from him, and we are excited to for the second day what we are getting see of the knowledge from him.
Well, that's great, Mr. Bowser.
Now I wanted to know about what is computer system validation. We have heard CSV, CSV. For me, it was CSV was just Excel file, which is earlier it was that CSV. But now I know it's a computer system validation. So I was actually keen on understanding what is it. With my learning from Google or finding out things, reading. We did validation in our company, but I wanted to know whether I'm in the right path or not. This was the right place to do it. And I'm very thankful to my company and Mr. Ajinkya and Mr. Waghela sir also for introducing me to this concept. And I learned a lot. To summarize few things, I think so the flow charts, which we also use in our software, here also it is important, but in a different manner. And the SDLC or this kind of terms, which were just like definitions for us, I got a good overview and depth of it. Of course, I may have more queries once I go to my company and I'll start implementing these things. And I'm sure you all will be there to help us. So it was a real good thing, and I learned a lot of things. I would say, along with my knowledge, I learned good focus and good examples. Very interactive session it was, and he's giving good examples, and it was really motivating for us. And I would actually prefer.
I did many of the trainings in my in-house QA department, different organizations. I bought this Lupins also have attended the trainings. But Demo has provided me the platform to expand more knowledge. And the added one is Kalpesh. So I really thankful to Nemo team as well as the Kalpesh. So I learned much more. I cleared my much more doubts over this training. So this QBD, IT backup terminologies, URS, SOPs. I have cleared all the doubts right now. As Kalpesh is giving me much more clearance on that. So I'm really thankful.
Thank you, Waghela, for this very nice program. And for CSV, you have considered all the things like categorization of equipment, instrument in line with GAN, and CSV validation regarding change control, CAPA, incident management. That is very good.
Yeah, it's definitely a different program because your trainer, Mr. Kalpesh Waghela, doing the lectures or some content is very different from previous programs in the way of presentations, and also the content and the quality of the content, quality of the presentations, talking, the good examples, and interaction of all the participants is definitely very good, and it's completely different from the previous programs. It's very interactive program as I feel here. Definitely it will be very helpful for our requirement. Definitely this program is fulfill my expectation, which is I mentioned in our first day. So definitely it's a very different program, it's a good program.
Great. And do you think the critical topics are covered during the 3 days?
Yeah, I think because all the contents are critical in the current scenario, especially for pharmaceutical company. And definitely for the manufacturing side, it's all the topics are critical like CSV, data integrity, compliance, the awareness of the current 483s. So all the topics are very critical, and your trainer explain it very clearly, very practically. So it's very good.
So I came across this session and then I thought to attend, because Kalpesh was delivering this session, and we know that industry knows that Kalpesh is having a vast experience in terms of computer system validation. So the specific thing with respect to this training is the expertise of the trainer, because he owned that experience over the decades. I think from last 2 decades he is in the same field. Most of the trainings which people conducted, they may have conducted training and having experience in different fields. That's fine. There is no problem with that. But having your own or having experience in the same field over a period of time, so that is expertise, I can say, which Kalpesh owned. And during this session, we learned from his experience. We all of us know, we came from a pharma profession, so we know guidelines, 21 CFR and all those things. But the discussions and the examples which he put in during the session, that really helps. Yeah.
Great.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for this informative session. It was really informative for me, basically. So my organization is dealing with the anti-cancer compounds R&D, basically. So now we are in the process of IND filing. So we have to install the 21 CFR Part 11. So it was really very, very informative for me because, I am the person who has to install all these things. So I wanted to have a very big knowledge in that. So it was really informative. Thank you so much for that.
Since the past year in Kamala. So there were many confusions while filling the URL. So I think after this seminar I'll have more clarity about it. And the difference of this seminar from other seminars, I found that we could interrupt you in between your sessions while you were explaining. Whereas other seminars, what happens is that 2 hour long or 3 hour continuously they explain a particular topic, and then we get hardly 10 or 15 minutes for Q&A. And we can't, even you don't know whether you're going to get your question answered or not. So I think that was a difference. Thank you for that, and a lot of clarity regarding 21 CFR.
Clauses are now by heart, and I remember all the clauses, and I know which clauses are coming in sequential manner. So that's the beauty of the seminar. So this is the first time I have attended such type of seminar, and thank you so much, sir. It was excellent.
Company is keenly looking for data integrity and other related things, and this is the first time I'm attending such a program, because in Saudi Arabia and GCC countries, they are recently tightening the regulatory concerns, and so the company wants much more help from you people, like online, on-site trainings or any consultant services, which will
The training or the seminar found to be interesting, and it was exceptionally good. And moreover, it looks to be an eye-opening session. And the most interesting part was that this is the only training which I see there is an emphasis on culture, because most recent audit points or observation is more over to culture and how we incorporate a quality culture. Second thing, DA is a must for us, and we was aware what to do and how to do it, but we was never aware why to do it. That looks to be very interesting, as well as it's an opportunity to think forward what to do next. And next, third most important part, prevention is always better than cure. So how important, how it's linked to your revenues, how it links to your reputation, and how it works with your own systems. And when we talk about vision, mission, how you align with these all expectations, with your future strategy and other things. And altogether, I tell it was an excellent training, and it was an eye opener, and to do more, to think more, and to perform better. Thank you.
I would like to specially thank him for giving all the examples by relating to wife, because I am recently married, so I understand that very well. So the person who holds the wife holds the family very well. So in the same way, he has made me aware that the person who holds the data holds the future in pharma industry. Perfect. So thank you so much, sir.
Great, thank you.
ये ट्रेनिंग का जो मौका मिला है सर ने दिया है, ये काफी अच्छा था, और हमने लोकेशन साइट पे इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. इट्स बेटर फॉर आवर फार्मा सेक्टर्स। इवन यहाँ तक, यहाँ नहीं कि रुशान में या देहरादून में या कांडला में, हर फार्मा सेक्टर में चीज इंप्लीमेंट हो सकती है। सर ने काफी कुछ बताया है, एक्चुअली ये लर्निंग है और एक प्लेटफॉर्म है हमारे लिए सीखने के लिए। सो वी कैन बेटर, हम बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, अपनी साइड पे उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। और इससे पहले मैंने कभी भी ऐसा ट्रेनिंग सेशन अटेंड नहीं किया। मेरा 12 इयर्स जो है फार्मा कंपनी में काम किया है, पर इतना अच्छा ट्रेनिंग सेशन नहीं था कि इतना खुला ओपन फॉर्म है, आप अपनी समस्याएं रख सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं और एक दूसरे से डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं। नाउ मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा था और मैंने बहुत कुछ लर्निंग किया है सर से, बहुत लंबा एक्सपीरियंस सर को है, तो हम उनके सामने कुछ नहीं है, ये सभी के लिए लर्निंग है। और
आई एम फीलिंग लकी, एक्चुअली एंड टाइम तक मेरा एक बार कैंसिल हो गया था कि शायद धीरेन्द्र नहीं जाएगा, बट नाइस मोमेंट की मैं आया और ट्रेनिंग ली। सबसे पहली बात मैंने सर को कल भी बोला था ड्यूरिंग ट्रेनिंग भी कि वी आर कनेक्टेड। कई बार चीजें क्या होती है कि ट्रेनिंग होती है, बुला लिया, एक फॉर्मेलिटी को 21 CFR पढ़ दिया, बट सर कनेक्टेड टू द रियल एग्जांपल्स कि विल चेंज द होपर टू चॉकलेट to this one, तो we are getting connected and recently we are faced, same sir knows कि हमने कितना face किया है related to IT and all these things। तो number of question थे mind में, कहीं का तो ऑनलाइन ही डिस्कशन होता रहा, कंटेम्पोरेनियस डिस्कशन यू कैन से, तो वो सारी चीजें अच्छी रही।
ये मेरी पहली ट्रेनिंग है कि कांडला में मैंने, और मैं CSB के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता था, बट ये है कि अभी मैं हैंडल भी कर रहा हूँ उसको, तो क्या ये मेरे लिए बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी थी कि ये मुझे मौका मिला सीखने के लिए रिलेटेड टू CSB, क्योंकि मैंने कभी हैंडल नहीं किया था तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था। तो सैमसंग ने सजेस्ट भी किया था कि अभी हम ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं 3 दिन की, तो उन्होंने बताया भी था। एक्चुअली क्या है कि कल्पेश सर की टीम आई थी SAP का वैलिडेशन करने के लिए, तब मैं था, तो उनसे मैंने कुछ सीखा था। तो मैं मतलब जनरली जानता था कि कल्पेश सर की टीम के द्वारा हमारे SAP का वैलिडेशन हुआ था, तो वो आए हैं ट्रेनिंग के लिए। तो मुझे पता था कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी हैं कुछ टचअप में, तो वो बताते हैं कि कल्पेश सर ट्रेनिंग अच्छी देते हैं, उन्होंने बताया। तो अभी फोन भी आया था कल मेरे 1-2 फ्रेंड का, तो उन्होंने बताया, मतलब कल्पेश सर ने फोटो शेयर की थी तो उन्होंने देख के फोन किया, बोले तुम ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हो कल्पेश सर के द्वारा। मैंने कहा हाँ, तो उन्होंने बताया बहुत अच्छे ट्रेनर है, काफी अच्छा कुछ बताते हैं।
I am mainly following Waghela sir since last 5 to 6 years on LinkedIn. So the level of training which I have seen, this is my first training for computer system validation. Thing is like I was very keen to address, like I want to personally attend this because I have never been into this. My basic profile is vendor management, but I have never taken the computer system validation as a part of reviewing at my vendor segment. And today also I am not having this kind of procedure in my SOP. So definitely this will be one of the point for my improvement of the software developers. So this will be one of our point which I will be adding into the system. And to go more further, like this is something which I will be populating in my entire career. Whoever I will meet, let's say from down the line to the upper management, this is one thing which will be helping the environment which I'll be around. So I thank you Singh sir and Waghela sir for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.
तो मैं ये फर्स्ट टाइम ये सेशन जो मैंने सुना, जो मैंने अटेंड किया, मेरा सौभाग्य मानता हूँ कि कृष्णा दर्जी जी ने मुझे यहाँ आने का मौका दिया, राजेश सेन सर ने यहाँ बैठने का मौका दिया, और कल्पेश वाघेला जी ने सुनाया और मैं समझ पाया, जितना ग्रास्प कर पाया वो मैं मेरे जिंदगी में पर्सनल लेवल पे भी और प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे भी उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने की कोशिश करूंगा। और गांव से इसलिए बोला मैंने क्योंकि मैं नहीं जानता हूँ ये चीजों के बारे में जितना अभी धीरेन्द्र सर जानते हैं, या फिर कोई अभी हरिहरा जी जानते हैं, या जो वो फील्ड से अप्रोच, मतलब वो अपने फील्ड से जानकारी रखते हैं, मैं इतना नहीं रखता हूँ। टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ। और मैं आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूंगा सर आपके फ्यूचर के लिए। लेकिन आपने एक बात कही थी कि आप हमें बताएंगे आपने 0 से स्टार्ट कैसे किया, आपका स्टार्ट कहाँ हुआ, क्या हुआ बीच में, आगे क्या हुआ, ये सब चीजें मैं सुनने के लिए बड़ा मतलब बेताब हूँ कि आप कब बताएं ये चीज, ठीक है। इससे मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिला है कि आदमी अगर ठान ले कि मैं ये करना चाहूंगा तो हो सकता है। ये चीज पहले मैंने सीखी, और जितनी जानकारी आपने हमें ये सब CSB